What's up, family? Welcome to Ddins Xperience. Here we do simple food recipes and tips, food, gadget, and kitchen tool reviews, challenges, and more. Before we get started, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell on the bottom right of the screen and hit all. And if you have any suggestions, please leave me a comment in the section below. And without further ado, let's get to the menu. What's up, family? For this honey buttery cornbread recipe, you're going to need cornmeal, flour, sugar, baking soda, salt, honey, oil, milk, 3 eggs, and butter. This is a quick and easy comfort delicious treat. You can have it any way from breakfast to a late night snack. Without further ado, family, let's get to creating. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is take our stainless steel mixing bowl, add in 1 cup of cornmeal, 1 cup of flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 cup of oil. We're going to put 2 tablespoons of honey. Nice, generous tablespoons. Yes. This is going to be beautiful, you guys. Okay, now we got that in there. Add in our 3 unbeaten eggs and our 1/4 cup of milk. And give this a nice mix. Yes, mix it very well. Okay, and now what we're going to do is add in 3 tablespoons of melted butter. Throw that in the sink and give this a nice little mix. Very quick and very easy. Okay, we're going to go ahead and get our baking dish together. I like to put butter in mine. I like to coat mine with butter. If you like yours to have a little crisp on the edges, add the butter. If you don't like it, don't add it. It's very optional. Okay, we're going to go ahead and pour our mix into our baking dish now. Okay. Now I want to set your oven to 350 degrees. This is going to cook anywhere from 35 to 40 minutes. Okay. Quick facts. Where did cornbread originate? Although the Aztecs and Mayans were making corn tortillas and tamales long before we heated up our skillets, the southern version of cornbread actually originated with the Native Americans. Because, as any good farmer knows, corn was like gold in the South. Pretty cool. Now that we pulled our cornbread out of the oven, this is what it's going to look like. All right. Now what I'm doing is I'm putting my honey butter glaze over top of our cornbread. Gives that nice honey buttery taste. Looks like gold, doesn't it? Yes, put a nice coat on there. Give me a like. Now we're going to let this sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. Let it cool down. It is going to be hot. But look at that. Look at your work. Can't wait to have a bite. Okay, I think it's cooled down enough. Let's go ahead and plate this up for you guys. Yes. Okay, let's dig in. Forgive me, you guys, blame the operator. I had to go ahead and put my finger on it. Okay, take a picture of it. Let's have a bite. Beautiful. If you guys like this video, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell to the bottom right and hit all. Share this video with at least one of your friends, family. Until our next food adventure, peace. Peace.